Hi, my name is Thomas Gunther. In this musictrainingonline.com video, you will learn how to explode the individual drum parts from a region onto separate tracks in Logic 10 for individual processing. Let me explain why you would want to do this. Let's say you just created a great drum track. All those MIDI events do now show up in one region on one track. This means you can only process the drum sounds together. Most engineers, however, like to have control over each individual drum sound. In the same way, they have control over each track of a multi-track recording of a real drum set. In order to be able to process the kick, snare, hi-hat and other drum sounds individually, we need to put each drum sound on a separate region on a track that has its own channel strip. With the Separate by Note Pitch command, we can make Logic do this for us in one simple step. The best way to get to the command is by doing a right-click on the drum region you want to process. This will open the contextual menu. Scroll down to MIDI and select the Separate by Note Pitch command from the MIDI submenu. Logic will now create new regions for each individual drum sound along with new tracks for those regions. However, those tracks use the same channel strip as you can see in the mixer, where you will find only one channel strip for all those newly created tracks. That's why we have to create new tracks with individual channel strips and then move each region to its corresponding track. To create new tracks, with each having its unique channel strip assigned to it, click on the Duplicate Track button here after selecting the drum track. With each click, you create a new track with a new channel strip that has the same settings than the parent track. All you have to do now is move each region to its corresponding track. Let's solo some of the individual drum parts to make sure it worked. As you can see and hear, it did work. You can process each drum sound now to your liking. Have fun!